I thought that it'd be easier to do a video explaining it. So your bank, so all these transactions are right. However, you'll see that you've got a 90 credit there, and then we debit it with 345. So they are the opposite. So you've got a credit and a debit. So therefore, we're going to need to do the difference. So 90 minus 345 equals 255 debit. And then you're going to go 255 plus the 460 to get to 715 and instead of the 805. And then you're going to go 715 minus the 552 to get to 163 and so on. So that takes care of the bank. And then here, so we've got a debit for equipment as the opening balance, which is perfect. And then we've got a credit because we sold some. So we've got a debit and a credit. So they're the opposite way. So you need to minus the 300 instead of plussing. So that's going to be 7.2. And then you're going to go plus the 2,000 to get to 9,200 closing. Supplies on hand is correct. Capital is correct. Purchase of supplies is correct. So if we go to the next one, so that was correct, the interest on mortgage. And then if we go to fees received, okay, so fees received, you've got the 12, so that's a credit. So again, you've got a credit and a credit, so they're the same, so therefore you add. So you got 12,000 plus the 1,200 to get to 13,200 plus the 400 equals plus the 540 equals. So you should get to 14,140. And then the GST, so you've got 780 credit, and then you've got a credit here. So you've got a credit and a credit, so we plus. And then here, credit and a debit, so then you minus. So you need to remember if the signs are the same, i.e. it's a credit and a credit, we add it. If it's a credit and a debit, so it's opposite, then we minus it. So you need to apply that here. The mortgage, again, you've got a credit because it's a liability, and then we had a debit, so they're the opposite, so you need to minus. The 120 is correct, 552 is correct, and the 345 is correct. So if you go through and make those changes and then update your trial balance and then flick it through to me again, and you should be all good.